Hi, I'm Kit Rich. This is a very simple and feels so good stretch routine, and it's quick. If you want longer, make sure to refer below for my longer stretch routine. Come onto your back for me. You're gonna start hugging one leg into your body. The other leg is extending onto the floor and just feeling that stretch for the back. Relaxing your shoulders. Then taking that same knee, crossing it over the body into a spinal twist. Bringing it back to the center, rotating onto your side, still keeping that leg that you pulled in on the top as you reach for the foot to stretch out the quad, making sure your abs are pulled in, tailbone under, as you draw the knee back. Release that down, lie back onto your back, hugging the other knee into your body. And going for your spinal twist. Don't feel like your knee has to touch the floor, your shoulders can stay down. And then rotating onto that same side to stretch out the quad. Tailbone wraps under, pulling the knee back. Releasing that, coming back onto your back, crossing the right heel over your left knee, grabbing behind that left leg, stretch. Keeping that same leg in mind as you slowly roll yourself up, extending that leg, taking that top leg to the inner thigh, arms up to the sky, and stretch to the toes. Coming back down onto your back, crossing the opposite leg, the left leg over the right. And then slowly coming up, extending the leg and stretch. Coming now onto your hands and your knees for cat-cow, rounding the spine, scooping up through the abs, and then dropping through that chest, drawing your chest forward. From here, taking one arm up, opening it up to the sky, feeling that chest open, and then threading the needle to relax the shoulder and rest. Slowly coming up, switching arms, the other arm lifts up to the sky, and then thread the needle. And then sitting back into your child's pose, knees wide, palms are turned up to get the extra stretch for the back, and just breathing here. And releasing, and you are all done. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this stretch and want a little bit more, feel free to do this video again or to find my longer stretch video posted down below. And if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe or hit the like button and leave comments below letting me know what other kind of routines you would like to see. Thank you so much and have a great day.